Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Choti Diwali and so happy Diwali everyone. Mm, I'm meeting Amrita, so we're going together. It's actually my friend's baby's naming ceremony. Yay! Okay, so yeah, I don't have an outfit, traditional outfit. I'm just going to check. I got it yesterday, but it wasn't of my size. So I'm quickly going to check the outlet near my home so that if I get my size, I'm going to buy it. And I'll be meeting Amrita there and we're going to come back, change. Okay, we're already super late, but I'll show you what I got from my friend's baby. Okay, it's so cute. Ta-da! Look at this. Oh my god, isn't this so cute? I know. Okay, anyways, let me go. I have to pack this. I have to shop for myself. We have to shop for Amrita. Okay, bye. Let's go. The mall is so empty and quiet. I love it. Hi.
I said I needed you,
We're here.
but baby, that was never true. And it's not personal, it's everything you put me through.
We had lunch. We finished having lunch and we saw the baby. He's so cute. Baby was cute, no? Yes, very cute. Very cute. Now we're waiting for Likita. We take another picture. We say bye and we go home. Shall I stop? No. Stop. We are shopping on Diwali. Chalo, cheers. Cheers, babe. Yay. Bye, Amrita. Amrita is leaving me. She's going home. Bye. Which friend leaves you so early? Friends who don't like you.
He cancelled. No, he cancelled it.
Cancelled. Yes! The auto guy cancelled. He knows. I want my friend to be there for me. Hello. I realized I was just editing the vlog and I realized I didn't show you guys my outfit I bought. But I'll tell you the story how I got scammed, okay? So we went to the store. That sounds like Bibas, okay? And I wasn't keen on going to the store, but it looked pretty from outside. So I'm like, I entered. And then I entered, and there was this person who came up, and he's like 70% off on this whole range of clothes. And I was like, oh, great. I was just browsing through, and he said, on the complete store, you have 50% off. I'm like, cool. Was browsing, I found something good from the 70% off even before he had told. I'm like, okay, now that he said it's 70% off, let me select this. I selected that and two other kurta sets from the other sections, the normal 50% wale se. And I was like, okay, cool, let me try it. I tried it, like the first one, and we go to the billing counter, and I hear him. I didn't even ask him for the price because I had calculated it. When I went to the billing counter and he was billing it, I heard him say something to the manager who's actually billing it. He's like, ये up to 70% वाले sections है. So I'm like, up to? Then I'm like, how much would this cost? Just to be sure. And then he goes on to say a price, which is absolutely not 70%. And I'm like, but you said it is 70%. And then he's like, I said up to. And then Amrita is like, no, you clearly said 70%. And then what? Happy Diwali. We're back. So, where was I? I forgot. Then I called my mom and I started speaking to my mom, and then he was like 80, but बाद में वो बोले up to 70. So it's like out of my range now, I'm not buying it, I'm disappointed. And then they heard it and they're like, okay ma'am, we'll give you another additional 10% off. It wasn't actually 10%, so total they gave me 60% off, I calculated. And anyways, it was a good price. मतलब अब क्या ही कर सकते हैं, like okay. And I settled for it. And yeah, but I think it was a good buy. It looked pretty, at least to me. कपड़ा तो अच्छा था, but I felt a little scammed. Yeah, so but it's a pretty kurta set. I don't regret it because I hardly find traditionals that I really like. तो मिल गया so हो गया, whatever. But the confidence that person has, like I said, up to 70%. And I was gonna just walk away, but I liked how Amrita was like, no, you clearly said 70% when I asked you. चलो anyways, अच्छा लगा, कुर्ता पहन लिया मैंने, अटेंड कर लिया. I've attended the naming ceremony and yeah, it was fun. The baby was cute, but it was so hectic the whole day. Morning to we were running around for finding my clothes, and then we came running back home, and then I had to like pack in a jiff. My mom helped me luckily. So yeah, what to do for rest of the day. I miss you, Amrita. You should have stayed for a little longer. Anyways, whatever. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. I have so less subscribers. Please subscribe karo. And let me know. Give me suggestions, yeah. Like frankly. Like what do you like in my channel? Or what do you want me to try? Kuch bhi. I love making these vlogs. As in when I get the opportunity or occasions. But give me ideas for like filler videos or anything that is fun for you, any challenge or kuch bhi, anything. Give me some idea. Chalo, okay, bye. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend. Tomorrow is a holiday, it's a Monday. Bye bye. See you in the next vlog.